Welcome to CELUS video guide. In this video, we are going to set up our first SUSHI credentials. After watching this video or opening it in a new window, click the green Add SUSHI Credentials button below. Firstly, let's select the platform for which we are adding credentials. CELUS recognizes most platforms that provide SUSHI harvesting and all those registered under the Counter Metrics Registry. If you can't find your platform, you can create a custom one by clicking on Add Platform. But we recommend searching our list first to ensure automatic updates and maintain system cleanliness. If the platform is part of the Counter Registry, you'll see a blue OutClick icon next to it that will take you to the corresponding page in the Counter Registry. You can only have one set of credentials per platform, organization, and counter version. Now let's fill out some fields. We can name this particular set of credentials in the title field or leave it blank. The organization field is pre-filled with your organization name. The requester ID is provided by the publisher. This may match the customer ID, be completely different, or it might need to stay blank. An R icon next to it indicates whether a requester ID is required for this platform or not. Customer ID identifies your organization. Customer ID is always required. Another field is the API key. Only fill this field if the publisher provided you with one. Below, we can see an option to choose the counter version. Most likely, your credentials are Counter 5 related, but some publishers still provide Counter 4 reports too. The option to choose Counter 5.1 credentials will appear here very soon. For now, let's choose Counter 5. A URL is the SUSHI server address from where the reports are harvested. Since we chose our platform from the CELUS directory, the URL is already pre-filled. Do not change the pre-filled URL unless you are absolutely certain it is incorrect. You can do this by clicking the edit icon next to it. Now we are going to select the report types we wish to download. Title report, database report, platform report, or item report. The R icon means that according to the Counter Registry, the report type is supported by this platform. The green icon tells you that some of our other users have successfully harvested this type of report from this particular platform. We can see that for our chosen platform, TR and PR reports are provided. Always choose at least one report type here. A platform filter is sometimes provided by the publisher. If that is the case, enter it here. The automatic harvesting slider enables automatic monthly data downloads and is enabled by default to allow CELUS to harvest your data automatically every month from now on. At the bottom of the dialog, we can see several buttons. The Close button closes the dialog without saving. The Save button saves the credentials and closes the dialog without first verifying the credentials. The Save and Verify button saves the credentials and opens a dialog to test them immediately. It's a good practice to test newly created credentials. It is also important to know that automatic harvesting will only be enabled for verified credentials. Let's verify our credentials now by clicking this button. In the Verify dialog, we have to set a month to test the harvesting. My tip is to always choose the month before last to ensure the data is already available. Now let's click the Start Test button and wait for the result. And voila! Our credentials are working as indicated by the green check marks. Now we have set up a working set of credentials. We can find these credentials in the SUSHI Management tab and edit or delete them later. To add more credentials, you can simply click the Add New SUSHI button here and continue with the same steps as before. Thank you for watching this instructional video on setting up SUSHI credentials in CELUS. Happy harvesting!